Welcome back to this video. If a supplier on Taobao Chinese shopping app out of stock, that is, they could no longer have the product in store and you have already placed order and you really want to get your money back by placing a refund, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how I got my money back when supplier is actually out of stock. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or IDFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up Taobao. Having opened up your Taobao, click on here to go to your profile. Having opened up Taobao, click on here to go to your profile. There's going to take you right here. So for every product you have paid for, it's going to be found right here. So what you need to do is to open up this box and it's going to take you right here. So this particular product right here, I placed the order for about 1 week now and the seller did not ship the goods. First thing first, you need to make sure you contact the seller, and for you to contact the seller, click on here. There's going to open up chat box right here. So you can see my conversation with the supplier right here, and this is the response that this product is currently out of stock. Okay, that is just the meaning of this particular Chinese language right here. Now, once the product is out of stock, the next thing we want to do is to go ahead and place a refund and get our money back. It's that simple. So next thing we want to do is to go back. Then we have to come back right here, and then we need to click on here now to get a refund. To make sure we click on here. So this is going to pop up right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to select the second item. So I'm refunding the two products. Next thing we want to do is to click on here, move to the next step. It's going to take us right here. Here we have to state the reason why we want to ask for a refund. However, if you do not understand Chinese character right here, just like me, what you need to do is to translate this part. How do you do that? First thing first, simply make a screenshot. Having made a screenshot, exit from Taobao for now, then go ahead and make use of a Chrome browser. After open up your Chrome browser, click on this camera icon to proceed. Select the screenshot. Go ahead and click on translate. Then you have it right here. So you can translate from Chinese to whatever language of your choice. So click here to select any other language. But in this tutorial, I'm translating to English language, and check it out right here. So these are the reasons right here. So the one that is related to my issue right here is out of stock. Just like what you see right here. So what we want to do is to go ahead and go back to my Taobao right here. Select out of stock. Once you select out of stock, then you have to make sure you translate this information right here. So make another screenshot. Go ahead and upload it in Chrome right here. Please refer to the product detail page for the order delivery time. It is recommended that you can contact the merchant before refunding. Negotiation, see rules detail, late delivery. So this is just an instruction. Go ahead and come back to your Taobao right here. Click on here to proceed to the next. Then it's going to take us right here. The next thing we want to do right here is to translate here. So make a screenshot. Go back to your Google Chrome right here. Then upload the screenshot. Let's see what is happening right here. Submit application. So review everything, refund amount. Go ahead and go back to your Taobao right here. Click on here to submit application. Now you can see application submitted successfully. Now this is going to take about 24 hours for this particular supplier to respond to the refund request. However, to fast track your refund request, it's advisable that you contact the supplier for that. So I'm going to go ahead and make a screenshot. So I'm going to go ahead and make a screenshot of this part. After make a screenshot, I'm going to click on the product link again. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on here. Then I'm in the DM of the supplier. So I will click on this plus sign right here. Click on this picture icon. Select the refund process, screenshot, upload. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and exit from here, and I will back up with a message. I'm going to go ahead and open up my Google Translate right here. So open up my Translate right here. However, if you do not have Google Translate, download and install on your phone, consider to get it done. Because Google Translate is available for Android and iPhone. You can download and use it for language translation. What we want to do here is to click on primary language. After you download, I'm going to select English and it's going to give me Chinese. Please, and I'll come to the type right here and say, please kindly approve my refund request. Thank you. Then click on here to copy. Go ahead and back to your Taobao right here. This message is not delivered. So probably my network. I'll have to resend. So it has delivered now. Then I'll click on here, paste the text, send alongside. It's that simple. However, if the supplier is not available online to reply to, you can see message right here is being pumped up into the supplier DM right here. Okay. However, if the supplier is not available to approve the refund instantly, you can go ahead and wait for the 24 hours given by the system, which simply means that after 24 hours, if the supplier did not give a consent to the refund process, the system will automatically approve your refund and the refund will be successfully credited to whether your Alipay account or your bank card or your WeChat or any means that you use to make payment on Taobao Chinese shopping app. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Taobao Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.